Ready to ditch boring flat designs and create eye-catching plaid shirt mockups that pop. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document with dimensions suitable for your shirt design. For example, 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, setting its fill to your desired base plaid color. I am using a dark blue to begin with. Now, duplicate this rectangle multiple times, changing the fill color of each copy to create the grid-like pattern of your plaid. Varying the width and spacing will add visual interest. I will use a light blue and a white line. Select all your plaid rectangles, go to Object, then Pattern, then name your pattern, and adjust the tile type for your desired effect such as brick by row. Click down at the top when you're satisfied. Create a shirt shape using the pen tool or basic shape tools. Make sure it represents the front of the shirt with necessary details like the collar and sleeves. With the shirt shape selected, click on your newly created plaid pattern in the swatches panel to fill it. Scale the pattern by right-clicking and choosing Transform, then Scale, selecting Transform Patterns only and scaling it to your preferred size. To add realism, use the Gradient tool or Mesh tool to create subtle shading and highlights on the shirt. Focus on areas like folds, creases, and edges to simulate fabric texture. And that's it. You've now created a stunning plaid shirt mockup in Adobe Illustrator, ready to showcase your fashion designs. Experiment with different color combinations and shading techniques to achieve your desired look. Remember to like and subscribe for more fashion design tutorials.